How's it going, YouTube? I got a little bitty haul from Flea Market today, but I'm going to show you what I restored. This Stanley Hurwood. Had it in one of my hauls last week, and I decided to restore it. I'll post some pictures of it before and after. I should have videoed the whole thing. I used this thing to redo the tip, and I did a lot of hand sanding. These barn red stain, some shellac, and clear coat. It's my favorite thing I've restored so far. Anyways, get to the stuff I got today. Got some more screwdrivers because I buy too many of them. This one looks like it's barn red too, but this one just says made in USA. Carbon steel. Doesn't have a brand on it. And this one says, not really sure, BPT. I don't know, but it says USA. It should clean up nice. Here's another wood one. This one says Western Auto. Doesn't say USA though. Didn't notice that. And then just never heard of Roscoe. It's my second one of these SKs. Got this for 50 cents, so that's a good deal. These pliers, no idea what these are, so if you know, let me know. It says Diamond, Duluth, USA. I just bought them because they were different. These were $2, Proto Power Track. All the pliers were $2. This was $3. SK. Don't have one of those, so it'll go good in the collection. Got this pretty cool Armstrong Pipe wrench. I've already sprayed a paint stripper on it, so it don't look as good as it did, but Armstrong. It's an older one. You can't read it too well right now, but what made me think it was older is it says Armstrong Brothers. I haven't seen that on any of their stuff yet. Oh, patent date. Wow, 1924. That don't mean it's that old, but they don't really make them like this now. And the best deal I think I got on anything is this Wilton light duty F-clamp, 18-inch. These go for like 55 bucks online on Amazon. That's the cheapest of the cheap. And a guy had 4 of these for 5 bucks a piece. I really kind of wish I would have bought all of them, but didn't. And yeah, that's about it. So take care.